Hello, we are with Dr. Olaf WollerSheim of the KIT Institute that will say something about safety in with the accumulator, because now the theme of accumulation is very hot. Please.
Yeah, thank you very much. Indeed, the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology is taking care of safety for battery systems, because we expect that the market for stationary batteries, at least in Germany, will develop very good during the next years. And then for all the installations in private households, safety should be a main issue. Therefore, we analyzed the safety properties of different commercially available battery systems in Germany, and our findings were such that we are now displaying here some results. As you can see, some of these batteries fail in a catastrophic way if they undergo a single fault. For example, a failing transistor or some disrupted communication lines. And this should not happen in a product which has a certain potential for fire and explosion. And this is what we want to make clear. You have to take care that certain safety measures are taken if you want to develop and sell stationary batteries. And if you don't mind, we can over there, and then I can show you which kind of safety measures should be included in a stationary battery system in order to make it really safe.
Okay. But in your opinion, how many commercial batteries are really safe? 50% in the market, 30%, 10%?
Yeah. That's very difficult to say, because that would need a systematic safety survey of all the systems on the market, and that would take much more time and effort than the KIT has available. So we could only make safety checks for several few systems, and among these we found very unsafe ones. That's what we can say. We know that there are certainly also very safe systems on the market, so there are definitely both extremes available, but we don't know, we cannot say anything about the majority of systems, because that's too much an effort.
It is 1 year that in Germany there is the Finnish tariff for the accumulation. And we should experience for the safety. There is during this year many fire events, many explosions, or everything go okay without no problem.
No, if everything would have been okay, we would have been more carefully with our communication, but we found some reports from the fire brigades in Germany with burned private homes due to failure of stationary battery systems. That's unfortunately the case, and from my point of view it's very urgent that these unsafe systems are taken back from the market.
Thank you. We will move to see the measures.
Yeah, what you can say here is a summary of what we believe should be included in a battery system to make it safe. On the upper right side you can see two electromechanical relays that decouple the battery from the grid in case of some safety problem. You see overcurrent fuse over here in the lower right corner, which should be included in the system. You can see a battery management system. It's an electronics device which you can see here, consisting of two of these electronic cards, and this should monitor the voltage, temperature and the current of each individual cell in the stationary battery. And there should be some redundancy in the processors of the system that should be made according to some safety integrity levels, like in the automotive industry, and then it's really safe. Furthermore, we request that the battery should have a closed metal housing, that no large cells are being connected in parallel, and that there are automotive qualified, high quality, high voltage, high current connectors used. This is only, let's say, a must that you should have. And then you must go more in detail and make a really detailed safety analysis of the system. But you can certainly say that systems which do not have these details are probably not safe. All what I have just said is valid for lithium-ion batteries. If we are talking about different battery technologies like lead acid, nickel-cadmium, nickel-iron, there are different kinds of safety measures that you have to take. We are not speaking about these. We are experts in lithium-ion, and we can tell you how to build a safe lithium-ion battery, but we will not talk about that.
The most important in the market are now lithium batteries.
That's it.
Yeah, other technology will come, but they're not really ready for the market.
That's the reason. So lead acid is used to some extent still, but we believe that it will be replaced almost exclusively by lithium-ion in the near future, and all the other technologies are not yet at the point where they are being introduced in the market.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.